Today in GialloZafferano's kitchen, I will prepare a classic of their Neapolitan tradition, the potato gateau, or better, as they say in Naples.
Gateau di patate.
Let's see how. For our potato gateau, we obviously need yellow potatoes, organic eggs, 24-month Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, Fiordilatte cheese, ham, Neapolitan salami, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. I suggest to keep an eye on your groceries. You want quality products, Italian products, especially the eggs. They must be organic. I got myself a hat. Here we have our potatoes already boiled. Now we will simply peel them and mash them. The potatoes must be yellow fleshed, boiled but not overcooked. The potato gateau is a very simple dish that we make almost every day in Naples. In this case, according to tradition, the main ingredients are cold cuts and cheese. But you can use your imagination and add to what you wish. Let's cut our potatoes so they will fit in the potato masher. The potatoes should be hot when you peel them, so when you mash them, there won't be any lumps. Once the potatoes are prepared, we can slice the cold cuts and Fiordilatte. Let's start with the thick slice of ham, simply diced. Quickly. As you can see, I asked my butcher to get me a very thick slice of ham. Once diced, I'll pour it here. Let's now cut the salami. This is a Neapolitan salami. Here again, very thick slices, because I like filling the salami texture inside the gateau. Don't be misled by how quickly I cut the salami. Now I'll show you how to do it with a normal kitchen knife. Very simple. Don't rush it. And don't worry about precision. The important thing is that you do it with love, which is the secret ingredient. Now let's cut our Fiordilatte. I prefer Fiordilatte because it is less moist than mozzarella. You can of course use a mozzarella if that's what you have in the fridge. As you can see, I'm not cutting it in small pieces, because this too you won't feel in the gateau. Remember to eliminate the excess moisture of the Fiordilatte cheese. And how do we do this? It's very simple. Once we have dusted it all up, we take a tea towel and a bowl. Let's put it in and squeeze a little. As you can see, we're going to keep all this excess liquid, the dairy product, out of our gateau, which otherwise will get a bit damp. Here it is. As you can see, our Fiordilatte is now much drier. Let's start seasoning our gateau. Take some eggs, pepper, and salt. Drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And now the fun part begins. We have to get our hands dirty. Let's start mixing. Once well mixed, we'll add our dice. Remember to always taste everything before finishing a dish. This is the right time. Perfect, that's okay. It's time to put our gâteau in a baking dish. Grease the pan a little this way, letting the oil slide over the sides as well. Now add to the breadcrumbs like this. Put everything on one side and then let it slide. With the help of the oil, it will coat the whole ball. Here we are. Let's transfer the mixture. I love using my hands in the kitchen, because I feel more in contact with the ingredients. Using your hands in the kitchen is a bit like going back to childhood, when we would cook with our granny, when we would make gnocchi all together around the table, and also for the gâteau. We finish our gâteau with a sprinkle of breadcrumbs on top as well. This way. Dusting of Parmesan like this to create a nice crunchy crust during cooking. Drizzle of oil like this. We're ready for the static oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Our gâteau is ready. I suggest you let it set for 10-15 minutes before serving. Mine is warm and I can cut a slice. I can't help tasting it. Good. My mum would be really proud of this gâteau. Bon appétit!